Cox Wi-Fi setup. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change Cox Wi-Fi to 2.4 GHz. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to one of these addresses, then log into your router using your admin credentials. The default username is usually admin and the password is password unless you have changed them. Then find the wireless settings or Wi-Fi settings section in your router menu and turn off any setting called band steering or smart connect. This option merges your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network into a single name, so disabling it lets you control them separately. Rename your Wi-Fi networks, give the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands slightly different names, for example, Home Wi-Fi underscore 2.4 and other. Save your changes, then go to your device's Wi-Fi list and manually connect to the 2.4 GHz network. This setup is especially useful for smart plugs, cameras, and other smart home devices that only work on 2.4 GHz. And that's all. That's how you will be able to change Cox Wi-Fi to 2.4 GHz.